Good morning. Today we are going to talk about microorganisms. This is chapter number 2 of your science book. What are microorganisms? A microorganism is an organism that is microscopic or very small. It is also called a microbe. Microorganisms can either be unicellular or multicellular. Unicellular means that it is made out of one cell. Multicellular organisms have more than one cell. Bacteria are unicellular organisms. Some of them are harmful to your health, but many are not. Bacteria is very small compared to a body cell, which is bigger. A bacteria is called a prokaryotic cell because it has no nucleus. An animal cell or a body cell is called an eukaryotic cell because it does have a nucleus that contains the DNA. Bacteria are living things because they are made out of cells. They obtain and use the energy by eating. They can reproduce. They will grow and develop, and they respond to the environment. Bacteria comes in 3 basic shapes. They can be round or spherical, they can be rod-shaped, or they can be spiral-shaped. The only way that you can see bacteria is through the use of a microscope. These are examples of how bacteria look through a microscope. Bacteria are the most numerous organisms on Earth, and they are divided into 2 big groups or domains: bacteria or eubacteria and archaea or archaebacteria. What is the difference between them? Bacteria or eubacteria live in every environment on Earth. They are in constant contact with us all the time. Some of them are important in the human body, in the industry, and in food production. But some of them can cause diseases. Archaebacteria, they live in extreme environments. They live where no one else can. For example, hot, acidic, or very salty environments, like sulfur hot springs, thermal vents, or around volcanoes. Many of them die in the presence of oxygen. How do bacteria reproduce? Bacteria reproduce by binary fission or by conjugation. Binary fission is a process in which the bacterial cell copied its genetic material. Then the cell begins to divide until 2 identical cells result. Another way of reproducing is called conjugation, in which 2 bacterial cells are connected and they exchange genetic information between them. Many bacteria are beneficial. They can fertilize fields, they recycle nutrients from the ground, they protect the body, and produce food and medicines. Some foods are made with the help of bacteria, for example, butter, cheese, and yogurt. Some medicines are made of bacteria, for example, antibiotics. But many bacteria can cause diseases, for example, salmonella. This is the microorganism that can give you gastroenteritis, which is food poisoning. Since bacteria are living things, they also have a scientific name. Here are some examples. In this table we can see some of the human bacterial diseases. For example, sexually transmitted diseases like syphilis and gonorrhea are caused by bacteria. Respiratory diseases like tuberculosis and pneumonia are caused also by bacteria. Skin diseases like acne can be caused by bacteria. Digestive tract diseases like gastroenteritis, nervous system diseases like bacterial meningitis, and other diseases. But many of these diseases can be treated or cured with antibiotics. After looking at this video and studying it, you will go to Google Classroom and answer a 10 questions quiz. The scores will be recorded in the platform. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you later.